In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track workday duration in GoodDay. Tracking workday duration is really helpful if you want a clearer picture of how long your projects actually take, not just in hours, but in actual working days. This can improve your planning, help with reporting, and make it easier to estimate future work. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps you need to follow inside GoodDay to turn this on for a specific project. First, start by opening GoodDay and navigating to the project where you want to track workday duration. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or folder so you don't accidentally adjust the settings for the wrong project. Once you've found it, click to open that project's main view. This is usually where you see your tasks, timeline, or board, depending on how your project is set up. Next, look towards the top right or upper area of the project screen for the gear icon. This gear symbol typically represents settings or configuration options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the project settings menu, where you can control how information is displayed and what kind of tracking you want to enable for this specific project. Within this settings menu, you'll see several options related to views, fields, and tracking. What you're looking for is the option related to duration or workdays. It may be labeled something like duration workdays or workday duration. Find that option in the list and click on it. By selecting this, you're telling GoodDay that you want to measure and show task or project length in terms of workdays instead of just raw calendar days or hours. Once you've clicked on the workday duration option, GoodDay will start using this setting for that project. From this point on, when you look at your tasks or timelines within the project, the duration information will be based on working days. This is especially useful if your team doesn't work weekends or if you have specific work schedules that you want reflected in your planning. To wrap up, all you need to do is open the correct project, click the gear icon in the top right to access settings, and then select the workday duration option. After that, you'll be ready to track and understand your project durations much more accurately inside GoodDay.